Okay, Dell Inspiron. Power or problem with this one is not charging. Most Dell Inspirons have a little alarm system to let you know if there's something wrong with either the battery or the charger, or if either one of them is not working correctly with each other. So it won't specify right here on this indicator when you turn it on. It will. It's able to get enough power to start up the laptop, but it's not enough juice running through there to power or charge up the battery. So the alert message come up saying that the wattage type can't be determined. So generally there's something wrong with the power brick itself, and that's the charger that this is plugged up with, or it could be the small jack piece that it plugs into. The second thing would be a fault to the motherboard, either a physical fault or software related, meaning you'd have to update the BIOS. Rare occasions it's the battery. Generally with this, all signs is pointing towards the charger or the connection between the charger and the motherboard. So what I'm going to do first, before having to dig in anywhere, is turn that guy off. And I have a universal charger, so I'll slot that in next. Power it up. And if there's no alarm, that means it's reading it correctly. And again, there's no alarm, it's going right into the Windows operating system. So that would rule out software, motherboard, charging port. The only thing now is it looks like there's a replacement charger that's needed. With Dell, you do have to get the official charger. For this one, I believe it's a 45 watt Dell charger. And I'm using a universal charger, so I have to change to put the appropriate tip on there so it would read correctly. But it is reading, and I don't need to log in, but the little indicator at the bottom right shows a little power symbol, and also the battery showing some type of motion. So that generally means that it is plugged in and the battery is actually charging. And it's pretty quick. No need to go any further as far as the charging port. Looks like everything should be holding up. Now what I'm going to do is let it charge all the way up, and I'll check the battery, let it drain down a little bit. But other than that, it just looks like that was the only culprit.